guys, so today I'm going to be doing a breakfast challenge, and it's going to be that I'm going to cook my breakfast by my own with my phone. They are very good climbers because they have grips in their nails, hands, and then so I put the butter on my toast, and the toast is ready now. And then now I'm going to put the egg in. Now it's ready, and my dad said you're going to rate it 10 out of something. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a breakfast challenge, and it's going to be that I'm going to cook my breakfast by my own with my father.
Enjoy the video, guys.
Enjoy the video. Welcome to the kitchen. So today we're doing a challenge that I'm going to cook the food for 24 hours, till breakfast to dinner. And then now,
so it's like 12 hours whole day.
Yeah, whole
So
day.
you're gonna cook
24 hours.
breakfast, lunch and dinner for us today, yeah?
Yeah, and
So
cheese
what you going to make now?
sandwich, a cheese sandwich. My mom and my sister are gonna join us in dinner and lunch. So let's cook it. I need an egg, 2 eggs. Ow! Okay, so I need to crack the egg. I'll just do it on the glass. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so I'm back. I was washing my hands. So now I'm mix the egg. While we are mixing this, I'm going to tell you some facts about a panda. So, a panda's fact is pandas are very friendly, and then they are very good climbers because they have grips in their nails, hands, and then, not hands, paws, and then, I need some salt. That's not a fact, sorry. That's not a very good fact.
And what's the favorite food for panda?
Bamboo.
Bamboo. And where do we find the panda?
Panda.
Yeah.
In China.
In China, yeah.
In mountains usually.
Okay. And their main food is bamboo shoots.
Yeah. And then, do you know how I know these?
Yeah.
In year 1 I learned about it. Now I'm in year 2.
Okay, that's great. Yeah. So, what you making, Manas? Is this a masala omelette? So you're putting some salt,
yeah,
some spices.
I need to put some cheese next.
So are you making
Cheesy sandwich.
cheesy sandwich? So you're gonna put it. No, it's you're gonna put the cheese here and put it in the sandwich maker, or you're gonna put in the omelette.
Omelette.
Okay. Okay, now that's enough, I think, Manas.
Same that's all for you.
Yeah.
Need to smash it. Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Okay, now I'm ready for the. Now I need a pan. Some oil.
It's too much, Manas.
I think it will work for the next one too. Okay, that's enough. Now let's wait.
Use this spoon. We should have grated the cheese rather than cutting it. I thought you're putting in the sandwich maker. So
Yeah. Now we just have to wait again. Well, I'm going to tell you now, since we're waiting for the egg, now I'm going to tell you some things I've done in school. So, last Friday I had pajama day and movie morning. If you had one, comment down below which movie did you watch. I watched Hotel Transylvania. It was a very popular movie for kids and it was good. While I was watching the movie, I had sweets and then crisp and then cupcakes.
So you were allowed to have crepes on that day?
Yeah.
Are you allowed to eat crepes in other days in schools?
No.
No, you are not allowed to eat the junk food, isn't it, Manas?
Yeah.
So I think you need to flip it up now. Can you do it?
Let's see.
Yeah, you can do it. Gently, Manas, gently.
Wait, can you do it? I'll.
There we go.
Thank you. Okay, I need to put on the bread.
No, first take a plate to put the bread. So you're gonna put it in the sandwich maker or not?
Yeah.
So you should have put. Okay,
That was a hard job to do that. But anyway, I need to make another egg.
yeah. First, complete this one and then do the another one. So what are you gonna put? The butter or peanut butter? What you like?
I hate peanut butter. I'm gonna put. Wait, what do? Yeah, butter. We have no jams on this when we use butter. I like butter anyway.
No, we're not putting jam on this egg sandwich. So we don't. While you're waiting for your toast to be ready, you can crack the eggs.
Okay.
And make it ready for another sandwich.
For you.
Don't put it there, Manas. No, on the plate.
Washing my hands. So I put the butter on my toast and the toast is ready now. And then now I'm going to put the egg in. Can you take it out? It's too cheesy. Too cheesy. Look at that. There. So.
So that.
Let's see that. Let's see how yummy it is. And
What you gonna make? You gonna make a tea for me? English tea? Yeah.
English tea.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna make my dad some English tea. It's my first time making an English tea.
Okay. Do you know how to make it, Manas?
Yeah, so you put a tea bag in and
Yeah.
then put some water, not everything.
I'll do the water. Okay, it's hot, so.
And then you put some milk in there. Is it cold milk or?
Yeah, you need to ask like somebody. Some people they have a sugar in it, but I don't like sugar, so that's fine for me. And
Oh, here's your toast.
yeah, my toast is ready. So
And then my dad didn't want peanut. He wanted peanut butter, not butter.
so I'm gonna have a peanut butter on it. Yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm making a sandwich.
Okay.
Okay, I need to get milk. If you like my cooking video, please subscribe. Mama sandwich.
Just a little bit. And a little more. That's fine. That's perfect, Manas. Okay, Manas is making a tea for me for the first time. Thank you, Manas.
That looks good actually.
Yeah, that's good.
It looks like a great colour
Yeah.
and very yummy. Okay, and so these are my colouring. This is mine. My dad drew this one and I coloured it in.
What is that, Manas?
It's a BMW
Okay.
and this is a person. Hello, Mr. Toon Squad is here. I drew Toon Squad.
Oh, okay, that's nice, Manas.
And then my Lamborghini is there. My dad's drawing as well.
Okay.
I'll put this back on.
Be careful with the magnets, Manas. It might fall and break.
Okay. Okay. So now it's ready, and my dad said you're gonna rate it 10 out of something.
Okay. Let's have and then we're gonna rate it,
Why
okay?
would be here? Wait, that. Okay. Okay, that's good. So, move out of that away. Okay, now let's see. How much do you rate my sandwich? 10 out of.
This is the first try, and it's good. So I'm gonna give you like 8.5.
I'm gonna give mine 9.5 because it is very crunchy.
Okay.
I mean crunchy.
Yeah.
And then I like butter. I don't like this bread. That's why I give it a 9. But I give it, I think, 10 now. 10 it is, I mean now.
So you're gonna give yourself 10 out of 10. Okay.
And with your coffee too.
Yeah, the tea is good. So this is your first try. So can you make it now on your own, sir? On your own?
Yeah. On lunch, I think we're gonna have pasta. On the side, we're gonna have salad. And then in lunch, we're gonna have I think let's go shopping first, and then let's see what we're gonna buy, and then we'll tell you what we're gonna eat. This video is done, but watch our part 2 challenge. So we're gonna end it by doing lunch and dinner. And
So we're gonna do the next video with lunch and dinner by Manas. So this is the breakfast video. So how was your experience, Manas?
good.
Good. So can you make your breakfast yourself now? Yeah, but you need to be careful with the fire. Yeah, it was a good breakfast. I do enjoyed it.
Watch our part 2 too.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye guys. Please subscribe to Omelette Sandwich Tea.
Subscribe to Manas and Misha YouTube channel.